Hey Willis, this is just a cuddle.
Hello there, guys.
Look, say hello to my friend, Ming.
Hello.
And look, we have a helicopter today. And what do you think I built this helicopter, Ming?
That's so cool. I wish I could do something like that. Yay!
Okay, let's start. Look, this is in Steve and Maggie. Steve has Maggie and I have my friend Pikachu.
Hello there, everybody. Yay! I have my face.
Guys, you know Pikachu is my friend, right?
Oh yeah, he is.
Pikachu is not Will's friend, it's my friend. Jack's friend, okay?
Okay, I am a snot. And look, we have this helicopter. So, hey Pikachu, do you think how many Legos I have built this?
I think this is 36 Lego. Wow! I want more blue from the comment window. So I gotta be 27. Yay! Oh, that's not sweet.
And that, look, we have this helicopter. It's red. It's just my t-shirt.
It's red like this guy. Look at this carpet.
Okay, look. This helicopter is a big main rotor. And this is the tail rotor. See? I gotta get closer and look. Really cool, huh?
Yep, it's really cool. It looks like a real helicopter or something. I definitely can't build like my brother because I have no idea how to build the rotor. So I look like a chipmunky.
Yeah, you just saying crazy. Right, Pikachu?
Yeah! Isn't that so crazy? Yeah! No! You are the crazy guy.
Just say that. Just go out.
Why?
Because this is my video. Get out. Get out.
Okay, guys. So this helicopter, let's start how to build it. First up, take the first main rotor.
I tell you, we should go out.
I want to look.
I know you need to look fine. So get out of here.
Okay, I have put it into a letter V. And then, hey Pikachu, this is so hard. Can you tell me how to do it next?
I think you made the fold the edge from the rotor and then slide it in.
You know why? This is not a real Pikachu. He's setting by his mouth, not Pikachu's mouth. He can't eat my arm. Look.
Ow!
Hey,
You're a crazy big bird!
Pikachu is a poopy guy.
Okay, and then you can like the other side.
Pikachu, you're so smart. Okay?
Yay! What is abracadabra? Oh yeah, no, doesn't like it.
Okay, so I
Pikachu is not smart, guys.
And look, next up we're gonna fold the edge just like the first time from earlier, and then slide it down like this. See? The one is slide from right to left, but this one is from up to down. Make the same.
Up to down means this is the up and you're gonna go down. Look like it's up. I'm up floor. And
I tell you, it's just get out.
There. And then we're gonna fold and snap together two of these Lego to make it just like a Stegosaurus spine. Then we're gonna fold these pieces, make the legs. Right, Pikachu?
Yeah, it's so awesome. Watch this. Abracadabra!
Yeah, he's right. Then we're gonna fold two of these to make two more legs.
so you saying you're not a genius?
Say, get out!
And then we're gonna fold two of these and together.
Stop.
We have a dinosaur. But
Adventure, go get some merch.
I tell you, it's not. So this Lego dinosaur is so awesome, right, Pikachu?
Yeah, it's cool. Yay!
Adventure, go get some merch.
Yeah, it's so awesome. So those merchandise get to www.willisversusjack.com.
Okay, you